Hey guys, it's BenTheCuber. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to display a cube modification that I have made that guarantees a last layer skip. So right now I'm going to assume that some beginners watch my videos and don't know what each specific layer is, so I'm going to explain what the layers are right now. There we go. Now I've just solved the first layer. The first layer is just the bottom layer right here. A Rubik's Cube is made up of 3 layers, and right here is the first layer. Now let's move on to the second layer. Now I can take this piece and put it into here to finish off the second layer. So right here at the bottom is the first layer, and this is the second layer, and this is the third layer, also known as the last layer. Now, whenever I solve these first 2 layers, I got a custom case on here. I can do OLL, and then I can do PLL. I had a case on here before, and this means I have to do 2 extra algorithms to solve this cube, but this cube over here has an all black last layer, and what does that mean? Well, this means that if the first 2 layers are solved, then this layer is guaranteed to be solved. For example, here's a T-prim on a regular cube. These 2 pieces are going to swap with each other, and these 2 edges are going to swap with each other. Now let's do that same algorithm on this cube. It looks the same. Well, that's because it's literally impossible to mix this up. This cube is cool is that no matter what case the cube is in, if I finish F2L, then the top layer will be solved. Normally, the chance of having a last layer skip would be 1 in 15,552, or the chance of getting an OLL skip and a PLL skip at the same time. But this cube always gets a last layer skip, so I'm going to do some solves on this and see if I were to always get a last layer skip, what would my times be? Okay, now let's see if I can get a subtone, which I should easily be able to. There we go, 8 seconds, 8.154. And now let's move on to the next solve. Here we go with a very interesting scramble. Let's see if I can do anything with it. There we go, 7.003, almost sub 7 F2L. So if you guys are wondering how I even made this cube, I peeled off all the stickers of a stickered RS3M 2020, then I just swapped the top layer with a stickerless RS3M 2020. So in all, if you wanted to do this, you would get 2 cubes that look like this, and it would cost you about like $15 or something. I would definitely recommend this because having a black cube allows you to highlight certain pieces like this. And that could be very helpful for making YouTube videos. I've started an F2L series, and having the last layer being completely black is going to be very helpful. Thank you all for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.